Everyone, I welcome you back to Sai Love Light Healing. So let us start with our tarot reading today. After a very long time, I am recording a tarot session and reading the collective energies. Fine, so let us see what are the messages that your spirit guides are wanting to convey. What are your person's feelings and their messages to you? Okay, so the very first card we have here is the Death card. So there is a new beginning coming up in the connection. If you thought that things have ended very on a very bad note, or something was not going very great in the connection, something has ended in the connection, that the spark has been lost in the connection, and you felt like it's over with your person, it's not going to take a rebirth, or maybe it's not going to reignite, the fire is not going to reignite. That is not the case. I get there is a new beginning, there is the light at the end of the tunnel. That is what I get here. I hope you can see a light with sparkling, and I think there is a renewed hope, okay, in your connection, and there is some kind of ray of hope coming your way when it comes to your connection or the relationship with your person. So death definitely means rebirth, and your connection I get is a spiritual connection, divine connection with your person. So it goes through several transformation journeys. So you had to go through a lot of things so as to grow as a person, as an individual, as a spiritual person, and grow well and progress well in your spiritual journey as well. Fine. Next we have is the Wheel card. So death here I get is transformation happening in your life, in your connection, which was necessary for your development and growth. Fine. Next we have is the Wheel card. So there was a painful cycle which was going on and running in your life continuously, and which has came to an end, and now the things have suddenly started to move in your favor. And so yeah, that is what I'm getting. It's starting to move in your favor, and things are working out the way you expected. Maybe at the end of the tunnel, okay, your person is waiting for you, the ray of hope is waiting for you, and the dark period has came to an end. So now when you lost all the hope, your person is coming back to you, and the energy is gaining momentum. It's slowly starting to gain the momentum, and it's slowly moving in your favor. Fine. So yeah, there is no need to worry, it's all working out. And I also get wish fulfillment, and number 4, 6 and 5 could be important for you. Also number 10. So as I said, 10 is a number of completion. A cycle has ended in your life, which was a very painful period or cycle, and you have learned a lot, you have become wiser, and now you are ready to welcome your person back in your life. Next we have is the Two of Wands. So it could be also the case that you moved on to an extent where you started looking for another person, or maybe you started exploring, and you also checked out new persons, or maybe individuals or options present around you. Okay, and you started, maybe some of you started talking to new people, some of you started you know to find a new connection with other person, and you found that when you started to walk away from this person's life, that the person which you were dealing with in the past, okay, with whom you share a spiritual journey, you thought that you would be able to let go of the connection, but you are not able to. And the once when you decided to move away, they came back into your life. Fine. Many of you, I get, you are exploring, you are moving ahead in your life, you are also into some kind of art. Maybe you are an artist, you draw, you paint, okay, and you are into some kind of art. Fine. Dance or music or something. And I also get designer. Okay, so maybe you or your person is a designer or something. That is what is important here. Next we have is Knight of Swords. So as I said, fine, so with this card I get that your person, you have taken a lot of burden on yourself because of this connection and person, and there was very less communication happening between the two of you, very less or no contact between the two of you. I get a few of you might be dealing with a person who has blocked you completely, energetically or otherwise, okay, on social media or any other means as well. So they have completely stopped communicating with you, or you might have done as well, and now you are not ready to talk to them while they are ready to communicate, because we have Eight of Wands. So they are ready to communicate, they are ready to express their feelings, they are ready to even reciprocate the same energies, love. They are ready to do whatever you did in the past for them. Okay, now you are walking away, they are coming back to you. So since you have decided to walk away now, they have decided to walk towards you. Okay, so this is the shift that is happening in your connection and the relationship. So you have focused on yourself, you have worked on an inner healing and growing, and now they are coming back in your life. So it's your choice now what to do, whether to go on with the person that you were dealing with in the past, with whom you share a divine connection, or with the person that you think is better for you, with whom you are dealing right now. And if it is not the case, then you definitely can give a chance to the person that you were dealing in the past. Fine. So now let us check what are the other love messages for you from your person. I'm getting 5, so 5. So the very first card we have is, I remember every detail of that day. So maybe the day when you met for the first time, the day when you talked for the first time, or you had a call, you connected over a call or something. They remember every single detail about a special day. Maybe you guys celebrated together or something. Okay, so you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So it was hard for them to let you go, very tough for them. But there was, as I said, there was some kind of spiritual journey or lessons which you had to go through in order to grow and come back together stronger. Next we have is, I left you before you could leave me. So they left you before you could leave them. Okay, they had some lessons to learn, and they wanted to grow powerful as a person. Okay, just being near you is so intoxicating. They love being around you, and they love your energy as well. I wish things could be different. So they are wishing now that the things they are wanting to communicate, as I said, they are wanting to talk to you. So it is now your choice what you want to do. You are being given choice what to do. Okay, so now your energy is very powerful, and it's going to make your decision, it's going to make all the difference. So now they are wanting to be back in your life, they are wanting to reconnect with you. So yeah, if you want, you can definitely go and have a conversation. That is what I suggest, because this is a divine counterpart connection. So yeah, this was your reading. I hope you resonated well. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.